Hey, Katie here. Welcome to my channel. I don't know if handling raw meat with a sprained wrist wrapped up is the best idea. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Hopefully this is going up on Monday, which is a week after I got demoted, stepped down, whatever you want to call it, from being a general manager. So now I'm just a manager, which honestly is a little bit of a relief. Like, I don't know if I should be sad and feel like a failure, or if I should be relieved that I don't have that stress anymore. That's a whole different thing. I sprained my wrist, so that happened on Thursday. I went ice skating and I did a full Charlie Brown. Well, I guess technically it was like 3/4 of a Charlie Brown, because I did try and catch myself with my wrist. Charlie Brown doesn't do that. He just falls on his back, you know? But I fell on my butt. Yeah, so that stinks. Other than that, life is pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, today, y'all came for cooking, and we're doing another Okay Cooking #2 book recipe, and today's recipe comes from Mary P. Cashwell. We're doing this here chicken broccoli right here. I'll just leave this here in case anybody wants to screenshot it or something or whatever. And what's not, you know. But it's a chicken broccoli casserole, and this one piqued my interest because of the use of curry powder. It's basically the only seasoning putting in this, other than maybe like lemon juice. What you're going to need, it says 2 packages of frozen broccoli spears. I don't know what that is. So I got 2 packages of broccoli florets. I got 4 whole I'm really trying to do this with one hand. But yeah, 4 whole chicken breasts. I've got Duke's mayonnaise for the 3/4 cup mayonnaise. I hope 1 lemon is enough for a teaspoon of lemon juice, which I think only half of one should be fine. If not, I got some other lemons just in case. It says 2 cans of either cream of chicken or mushroom soup. I would have preferred the mushroom soup, but they only had 1 can. This has roasted garlic in it. I'm a fan. And then the other one's just cream of chicken soup. So we got that. For the 1/2 cup of grated cheese, I'm going with a triple cheddar, which has Vermont cheddar, shock cheddar, and mild cheese. Pretty decently, deliciously good. Anyways, I also have a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm using just plain breadcrumbs. And then for the curry powder, we're using a 1/2 teaspoon. Anyways, yeah. Step 1 is to just straight up boil these. So, this is my pot I'm gonna use. It's just like an 8-quart deal. I have a smaller one that's like half the size. I feel like in between would probably be best, but I don't have that, so yeah. I need to get some sort of vlogging camera, because this one just like, you know, the lighting situation is just ever so slightly annoying to me, so I know it's probably very annoying to someone out there. I don't think I'm supposed to put any salt or pepper in this to boil my chicken, so I'm just going to fill, you know, up to the top of the chicken, maybe a 1/2 inch to 1 inch over top of the chicken. I'm not going to fill the whole pot. That seems, a bit overdoing it, but I'm gonna put it on my stove. We're gonna boil some chicken. Probably throw this away before my dog gets it though, you know. thoughts. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this on high, and yeah, I'm gonna let that boil. I'm gonna come back in maybe 5 minutes, see where it's at, and I'll start on the broccolis. Basically, for the broccoli, it says cook broccoli 8 to 10 minutes in a small amount of water and drain. But I think I could just microwave it. Yeah, probably gonna do that because modern convenience. My only saying, the reasoning behind is this McDonald's ad. When did they have that font? What is this little sun right here? Like, I'm so confused. How long does it take to boil chicken anyways? I'm a little confused on the details there. I really need to do something with my hair. Whatever. Okay. Chicken has been boiled. And it's been sitting for 15-ish minutes. Where is a good place for me to put you so you can see what I'm doing? Ooh, angles. Okay, so basically, in this dish right here, I have pre-buttered it. I have cooked both of the broccoli florets, and I am thinking, like, I don't know, I feel like 2 of these just isn't gonna be enough, but whatever. These now need to be cut into chunks. I think I'm gonna go for like 1-inch chunks and stuff. And y'all don't judge my Dollar Tree knives. They're they do their job. Okay, so the recipe calls for this to be layered. The issue is this is a very big container. This is the only other one I have. I don't think it's big enough. That being said, just gonna go with it. I'm gonna layer this some chicken. I'm gonna use 1/4 of this broccoli. I think I'm gonna go ahead and chunk it up just a little bit more. Okay, that's the thing I did. I was worried about nothing. I don't know what size this is, but it's a very large casserole dish. And I filled it out kind of nicely. It's not the layers I was literally imagining, but I really think they just wanted you to mix it all in together. You could probably just dump it all in a bowl and then dump it in the casserole, but then you do, you know, washing an extra dish. But you do need a bowl for this next step because we're going to be mixing together all of the jazz. So it says we need to mix soup mayonnaise, lemon juice, curry powder, pour it over the chicken. So that's what I'm about to do. It's 2 cans of these deliciously creamy goodnesses. So much for rice on my wrist, you know. It's been 2-3 days.
I really thought my wrist was broken. You know, like scaphoid or something. Because that's where the swelling was. And it's just,
let's see, 3/4 cup of mayo. I could eyeball this, but why would you take the time to measure out 3/4 of a cup if it doesn't need to be precise? Well, I guess I know now because that's what I'm doing now, but that's not what I normally do. I just eyeball it in a whole measuring cup. A cup of the, you know, like the, that measures a cup. And it says lemon juice in here too, right? Yeah, okay. And we only want a teaspoon, so that's probably about a teaspoon. And then we want the curry powder. Where did the curry powder? There it is. It's like Jello, but savory. It's all of your 1960s dreams. What? And I hope mixing the chicken cream of soup and the cream of mushroom soup and not just using one isn't going to cause issues, but I mostly like smelling the mushrooms, and then I'm hit with the curry powder. Tastes like celery. Next is to try and pour this over top, I suppose. I think it's gonna be good. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a casserole. You really can't go wrong with a casserole as long as it's wet enough. I think it would be safe. Oh, the struggles. Can't get it open. I need a person. Why don't I have a person? Ugh. Ow. Wait, this is already open. Why is it so hard to open? Gotta do it one-handed. Send me to the Olympics. If I can do this. Okay. Anyways, I'm thinking I can eyeball this and just toss it on top, right? And then a nice coating of these plain breadcrumbs, and pop it in the oven uncovered. Doesn't say, but we just pop this in the oven for 25-30 minutes and let it cool, I guess, a little bit, and eat it. Makes a large casserole, freezes well. Ah, that's too many breadcrumbs. Actually, is that a thing? Can you have too many breadcrumbs? Okay, well, here we go. Casserole. Yeah, tasty. Yeah. It's in there. I have no idea how I'm getting it out. But I'll see you guys in 25 minutes. Okay, now I try and figure out how to get this out because the timer went off. Doesn't look golden brown. I don't know. Maybe it's not supposed to. I'm gonna try my best to get this out. Mostly one-handed, partially armed, but maybe it's not
Not bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh, here's my casserole. Isn't it just delicious? It's got the bubbles. It's got all the goodness. Yum. Okay. Anyways, time to bite into this. The lighting has drastically changed since I started filming. And I gotta let my dog out before I go to work. See if I can get an angle on this. There we go. That works. I'm gonna let this cool actually for until I can get my pants on. And I'm gonna dig into this and we're gonna try a bite. This is extremely tilted. Okay, that seems a little bit better. I do have pants on now on top of my leggings. I'm not gonna cut into this. I'm just gonna put my spoon in. This is my food for a week. And you know what this smells like? It just smells like broccoli and cheese. And that's exactly what I wanted, but I was also craving chicken. So I'm super ecstatic about this. Let me make sure I get a piece of like basically everything. Is this what we got? That's very bright. This is what it is. I'm trying my best for y'all to see this. It smells good. The smell is very curry. I mean, even though it was just like a, what, half a teaspoon, it's still, it's aromatic in there. Now this is straight out of the oven. I didn't turn off. Glad I remembered that. I was worried that the curry wasn't gonna bring much to the table. Although, having tasted just the chicken, cream of chicken, I would think that it would meld best with the cream of chicken. But once again, mushrooms are delicious. So if I were to do this in the future, I'm gonna probably try it with just mushroom soup. But hold on, let's taste this. Well, the lemon matches really well with the chicken. But there's something in this that's like, kind of, it's got a fish flavor to it. Which is weird because nothing I put into this had a fish flavor. I'm thoroughly confused. I need hot sauce. I've got some crystals, you know. I'm just gonna put a nice dabble on there. Oh my gosh, I am making a heck of a mess. Well, Miss Mary P. Cashwell, I'm gonna have to give your casserole a 3.5 out of 5 stars. 4 with a nice dash of Crystal's hot sauce. I hope that y'all have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye. Love you.